Get your calendars out. February 17th, February 18th, live trading, San Diego. We got the Lowe's Coronado. I mean, what else would you want? This event is limited to 50 people. Look at your calendar, clear it, make sure you show up. If you want to be a rebel, this is the place to be. You got to sign up for it now. Giddy up, baby.
Welcome back, folks. I am John Najarian, and this is 3 at 3, our special Hanukkah, Festivus, and Christmas edition of 3 at 3. All right, let's dive in, shall we? Unusual option activity is activity that we have seen hitting on our heat seeker algorithm, and then we follow that heat, whether it's bullish, which would be buying of calls, or bearish, which would be buying of puts. Either direction, we get them both. I'll show you a couple examples of past as well as present unusual activities right now. Starting with Paramount, because stock was approximately $2 higher just on the 12th of December. So here it is, the 22nd, and it's been 10 days. And the options that were purchased for about $2.24 are nearly up 100%. Bang. So if you're somebody that shorted 1,000 shares at $19, you'd be up about $2,000 in approximate terms. On the other hand, if you're somebody who bought a 10 lot of puts, you've almost doubled your money. 100%, nearly, not quite. We're closing in on it. Just wanted to highlight that for you. All right, and here is BXMT. This is one, was $23.77. It has also dropped by about $2. They bought 10,000 of these Jan 20 puts today. The stock, or ETF, this is a Blackstone ETF trust, trades down to $21.97, nearly $2 lower, and our puts are making nice money in there too. Then we have, from just 6 days ago, the SPY, or S&P 500 Spider. So this is the smaller version of the SPX. And it was at 382 at that time. It has fallen by about $7, even with yesterday's rally, $7 lower. 50,000 of the tomorrow expiring 375 puts were bought for about $1. These puts have made us a pile of money. And I hope if you had some, that you will be disciplined about taking some profits. I will be out of 75% of mine in the next few minutes. I encourage all of you to make sure you keep your discipline. You've already seen how the markets go down and then up and then down and then up, but always moving like this from the upper left to the lower right, bearishly. Not always, but at least in the last few weeks. And so I would encourage you to be disciplined about profits and to be disciplined about cutting losses, because we all know that's part of the game too, cutting those losses. All right, here's Uber. Uber was $24.86 just on the 29th, on the 19th. Here we are, 22nd. So this was from Monday this week. Monday, they bought 4,900 of the puts, paid about 94 cents for them. Today, those puts move up to $1.35. That's up 255% overnight. Bang! Again, that's why we trade options, folks. And there's more. Also at Monday, with the IWM at 172, somebody bought 5,000 of the January 164 puts. Well, the stock, or the IWM, falls again today after yesterday's rally, pulls back again today, 2.6%, and we've got another big fat profit rolling in. Bang! That's the way we like to trade. All right. I would encourage all of you, if you have somebody who would like to learn about options trading, whether that's you whether that's a grandson, granddaughter, husband, wife, whatever, I would encourage you to go to marketrebellion.com/get started. This is the page that will come up if you do that. You could give a gift to yourself or your loved one that would certainly help them be a better investor. Am I the only person? Is Pete the only person that can teach you options trading? No, but we have done it for literally 300,000 plus people. And I'd say that that's more than anyone else in options trading. If you'd like to learn about trading options so you take less risk with each investment, if you'd like to learn about technical analysis, if you'd like to learn about trading futures, all of it laid out for you at Market Rebellion. If you need a coach, if you need a mentor, we've got that as well. Check it out, marketrebellion.com/get started. If you are someone who would like to trade like I trade, with less risk, sleep like a baby, and I don't mean cry all night and wet the bed, then make sure that you check out marketrebellion.com/get started, because you could trade more confidently and have the odds moved into your favor as far as possible before you make that investment. Just check it out. Costs you nothing to check it out. marketrebellion.com/get started. All right, we're going to get started now with today's unusual activities. This is brand new stuff, folks. So Harley-Davidson, symbol HOG, they bought the next Friday expiration, so not tomorrow, but next Friday, a week out, December 41 puts, right at the money. If you want to, if you don't want me to mince hairs here, I'd say, well, they're 9 cents in the money. But at the money, 41 puts purchased 5,000 times. That is 500,000 share equivalent. Love it when they do that. I follow along with them. I'm only risking $1, approximately 95 cents to do it. That means $95 per option. So in other words, $950. I'm simulating 1,000 share short position. I could only lose, if I was undisciplined, I could only lose $950. If this thing falls below $500, I will be out. I will cut my loss at that point. On the other hand, if the market falls back to $38 or whatever for Harley, I could potentially double my money here. Bang. That's, again, the way we like to play. And what we also like to do is have many of you, but only 25 of you, join us in San Diego, because for these intimate events held every 2 months, we only allow 25 people. That way we can go one-on-one with you. We can give you the education you'd like, the insights into trading, whether it's stock options or futures, whether it's AJ Monte, whether it's Bill Johnson or Mike Yamamoto, any of our great instructors will be there in San Diego, marketrebellion.com/SD to learn more about it. That is marketrebellion.com/SD. San Diego in February. Doesn't that sound pretty good? marketrebellion.com/SD. All right. Urban Outfitters, 4,000 of the January, regular January. So that's the third Friday in January, 2350 puts purchased for about 90 cents. Well, that's a bet that the Urban Outfitters shares go lower between now and January. They were presently at 24.21, so about 75 cents above where these puts would start kicking in. But any downward movements over the next few weeks, and this is a big winner. 90 cents doesn't take a lot to turn it into much more than that. And this is somebody who's made money already being short because they sold their January 25 puts that they'd previously purchased and rolled down to this lower strike. Bang. marketrebellion.com/get started is how you can join us. That's marketrebellion.com/get started. Coach, mentor, distance learning, subscriptions, all of it. marketrebellion.com/get started. Last one today, Deutsche Bank again. So Deutsche Bank hit earlier in the week for the January 11 puts. Now they want February 11 puts. Stock's 11.25. So it's just 25 cents away from being in the money. Somebody thinks that some tough times in Germany could drive the bank lower, could drive these puts up, because of course puts go up when the market goes down. Bang. January 11 puts, now they're February 11 puts, paid 60 cents. That's $60 per option, since every option is for 100 shares of stock. So for a $600 investment, you're controlling 1,000 shares of this stock, which otherwise 1,000 shares would be $11,000. You can control 1,000 shares for $600. So check that out, folks. Bang, too much eggnog. And lastly, let me just tell you that Market Rebellion is very proud that many of you have joined us for Rebels Edge Live. That's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. 4 days a week, Rebels Edge Live, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Bang! I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one.